Hello guys, it's Dale here with a new video, new day trading analysis. Today I'll talk about Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. So this is the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar 30-minute time frame on the TradingView platform. I'm working with my custom-made indicators that I built for TradingView and that members of my trading course are able to download and use for free. Now, the thing that I want to talk about in here, actually two things. Two resistances, this one at 0.9147, the second one in here at 0.9176. Now the first resistance is pretty close to the actual price, and it is based on a setup which I call the trend setup. When there's a trend, you want to see significant volume cluster created within the trend. In this case, this is the volume cluster. It is not that strong, but there's also a confluence with VWAP, with first deviation of VWAP. That's this gray line. And currently the price is moving below that line, and when it touches that line, it's likely that it will react to it, because that's how the price likes to react to the first deviation when the price is trending. All right, so right now the price is below the first deviation of a VWAP. If it hits the VWAP, the first deviation of the VWAP, I mean, then there is likely to be a reaction. At the same place, we have that volume cluster. So that's a combo of two trading setups, right? Volume profile setup and a VWAP setup, both pointing more or less to the same trading level. Obviously, the first deviation of VWAP is moving, so it's not guaranteed that at the time of the pullback, the first deviation will be around the level. But if it stays somewhere in this area close to the level, then it will add strength to that volume cluster, and the likelihood of a successful reaction to that resistance will be even stronger. All right, so that's for the resistance number one. What we need to do now is just wait for the pullback and take it from there. Now, the resistance number two is in here, and this one is based on way heavier volumes. Actually, it is based on the weekly point of control. Weekly point of control means that this week, the heaviest volumes were traded right here, right? And afterwards, as you can see from the weekly point of control, the price shot aggressively downwards. So this is telling us that strong institutional sellers were building their short positions in here, in this area, at the weekly point of control, and then they pushed the price aggressively downwards. So when there's a pullback, I expect that those sellers will want to defend this heavy volume zone, which is clearly important for them, and they should push the price downwards from there again. All right, so that's the second resistance. The setup here is called the volume accumulation setup. Now, ideal scenario would be pull back to the first resistance and a reaction, then pull back to the second resistance and another reaction. So that's my take on the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. I hope you guys liked the analysis. And if you would like to learn more about volume profile trading, volume profile setups, and if you would like to trade alongside me every day, then what I recommend is visiting my website, which is trader-dale.com. If you click this button, which says Browse Courses, it will take you to this page where you can browse my courses. There is the Elite Pack, which focuses on volume profile trading. And below that, there's the Order Flow Pack, which focuses on day trading with order flow. If you guys have any questions, there's a quick chat on the website, so you are welcome to use it and we will be happy to help. So that's about the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Until then, happy trading.